If you're watching this video, I have the tech tool for you. We're talking instant access to scholarly research articles. Trust me, this is revolutionary. Because if you're a student, researcher, scientist, healthcare professional, journalist, or just an everyday human being who wants access to scholarly material because you're an informed consumer, then you know how helpful it would be to be able to see actual research articles without the paywall in one click. Let's talk about LibKey. LibKey, great name by the way, is a web browser plugin, really easy to install, that uses your academic affiliation, such as Stanford Medicine, shout out to Lane Medical Library, to instantly access articles. Let's do this in real time. You'll see how fast and easy this is. You're gonna go to thirdiron.com/download Nomad. You see this friendly orange button that says get LibKey Nomad now. Click that, pick your browser. I am a Chrome person. Then you go to the extension store and click add to Chrome. I love this, by the way. Discovery starts everywhere. I love that, I agree. You're gonna select organization. Go down, Stanford Medicine, Lane Medical Library. And now, let's go check out, I don't know, PubMed. Let's search for something relevant. How about, seed oils. When I type in seed oils and I see all these research articles show up, look at that green drop that is integrated directly into PubMed. It knows that I'm part of the Stanford family, gets rid of all the clicks and the paywalls, and now I have instant, easy access to all the articles. This used to take multiple steps, now it doesn't. I can even go on Google Scholar and check it out. I'll look up RSV, and again, I see the friendly LibKey symbol telling me that I just have to click it once and I've got the article. Basically, anytime you're online and you see a link to a primary source for scholarly material, you will see this green, I think it's a green flame. I called it green teardrop earlier, but regardless, this symbol, this LibKey symbol that represents time saved, efficiency, and a more productive workday for you. Download LibKey now. I love it. It has saved me countless hours to the point where I look like this individual on the website. Let me see if I can do it. Close enough.